Hello, my beautiful dreamers. Welcome back to yet another episode with me, Scholastic Atieno, where we dream, believe, and make it happen. So today I'm coming in hot, coming in spicy, coming in juicy. Like I'm just in this, I don't know, like it's just, of late I've been feeling like I really want to cook. I'm diving into my feminine energy, and my feminine energy right now is just speaking kitchen scholar. You gotta cook this, you gotta try this recipe, you gotta try this, you gotta do this. So I'm in that space right now, and today I feel like doing some mini little recipe tricks with you guys, and I'm here for it. So like we'll start. Okay, I know you can see today we are not doing the face, guys. Today we are not doing the face. No face, no. Yes, we won't spoil anything. So I know you can see we have the mincemeat here ready. So today I'll be doing meatballs with spaghetti. Yes, so that's what we are going to do. Oh, don't check the price. Anyway, don't care. So we'll be doing meatballs. I don't want too much because I'm just alone anyways. So yeah, like 6 or 9 meatballs will be enough. So here are my spices ready. I don't like too much spices, just for seasoning and everything. Yeah, so this is black pepper, cinnamon, and paprika, and then what is it, a pinch of salt, and this one I turmeric. Yes, turmeric. And then we need some breadcrumbs. So I don't have breadcrumbs. I think I'll just grate my bread. So yeah, that's what we will do. Let's see how it goes. So here is my breadcrumbs. I don't know if it's enough. I don't know if I should add. I don't know how much. So I think I will add. Really, this is the minced meat. So this is the minced meat. I don't know if it's enough. If this breadcrumbs is enough. I feel it's not, but I also don't want to make it too much. Okay, let me add half of bread, and then I'll just grind it here. I already showed you where I grinded my breadcrumbs because I didn't have the original ones. You can just make do with everything that you have. And then this is soy sauce. We'll use this later on when we are frying, but right now we just want to season this one and then make it into meatballs. So here, let's go. Let's dive right into it. I'm so excited, like really, I'm so excited. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment down below, interact with your girl. I'll be here to respond to each and every comment, and please suggest to me any kind of dish that you'd like me to prepare in the next video. Yes, I'll gladly do that. So let's dive right into it.
Go to the bar and I shut it down. Get on my section, don't bother with lames. I'm watching these bunnies bounce. Shorty a 10, a rubber band. Come on for the 100 pound. All of the
So yes guys, let's dive right into it. I just washed my hands. Yes, my hands are wet. So what we'll do, I'll just transfer this one into the plate, and yeah. Okay. Yes, so let's dive right into it. So I'll add in my seasoning spices. Yeah. Make sure to mix in that well. Mix well. Well. I don't think I'm good at mixing, but let's see. The next thing you're going to do is to add your, what is this? Eggs. Just one is enough. And give it and give it a nice blend, mix. And then after this is when I'll go in with my breadcrumb. But I don't think sometimes the egg is not necessary. But I think it was better before the egg. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know if it will mix. Really. I hope with the breadcrumbs will be enough. I shouldn't have added the egg. Anyways, we already made the damage is already done, so let's add the breadcrumbs. Oh my god, I hope it will be able to mix. Oops. I'll just add a little first because I didn't want too much breadcrumbs. Sometimes the egg is not necessary, but you can do it if you want. If you don't want also, it's okay. No wahala. I think I'm gonna add more breadcrumbs. Oops. And more. Okay. Our meat is ready. Is this enough or should I? I think I just need to, let me just add all of it. I was trying not to use all of it, but because I added the egg, so I ended up using all the breadcrumbs, even though I necessarily didn't have to. Apparently the damage is already done, so let's go ahead. I just hope the meatballs will hold well. I hope it will hold well and doesn't just, come out. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, now ready. Now let's make the meatballs. I don't know mine if they're coming as balls or as something else. I don't know. I tell you guys, I've just been in my feminine element and I love it. I love it for me, definitely, really, I love it. I think I'm ready. Let's go into that, by the way. I just feel like I'm ready to be a wife at this point. Like, damn, I'm 26. I'm not even getting younger. And to talk of which, I'm single, by the way. Yeah. There's someone trying to distract me from my video, but we'll ignore that. Hope she doesn't mess everything. How are you, girl? Hi. Oh my. Yes, as we're saying. Yeah, I just feel like I'm just ready to be a wife at this point, at this moment. But it's not like I'm looking for it. I'm definitely not looking for it. If it finds me well and better, of course, I'm the prize. I am the prize. Definitely, girls always have to remember that you are the prize. So they have to get you. They have to look for you, not you look for them. Like, you just have to package yourself and be in that moment that you are ready to be a wife. Not really looking for a husband, because I think like most of us, we always look for a husband. You're looking for a protector, you're looking for a provider and all that, but you fail to ask yourself important questions like, are you ready yourself to be a committed wife, a submissive wife, and all that. Yeah. But not to mean like I'll have to cook for him every day. No, definitely. He has to prove me. He has to prove it. He has to prove that he's worth my time and energy and everything. So yeah. Send it me at a spendi kukopa. Here we go. Here we go. I hope they taste nice as they look. Yeah. I'm just scared of hot oil. That's why I'm stuffing them all on one side and then I'll squeeze them later. So now add some soy sauce. And my meatballs here. I just ate one. It's obvious. It's evident. Yes. I don't like using tomatoes, by the way. I rarely use tomatoes. I just don't like. I don't know if today I should. Really? Maybe yes. So eventually I decided to add tomatoes and what is it called? Tomato paste. Yes. So I'll just add. And I don't know why in the camera it looks so dark. It's not so dark. Maybe it's the soy sauce that is making it look dark. Yes. And my meatballs are ready. Woo! I tell you. Look at that. Oops. I tell you, when I tell you my meatballs look yum yum, it's super delicious. You're about to see it. Hello my beautiful people, I'm so sorry I left you hanging the other time. So when you saw me cooking the meatballs, it was my off day and the following day I was to go to work, so I didn't want to do too much of cooking. Yes, so here we are, and I know you can see new nails. Aki, the other time when I was making meatballs, I mixed the spices and it had turmeric and my nails ended up being yellow. I kid you not. I'll show you a clip here. It was yellow, so oh my god, the next day, the first appointment I took after work was to go change my nails. Good thing with acrylic you can only change color, so yeah, that's what I went to do because my nails were just yellow. Oh my god, it was not giving. So yeah, so today what we'll be doing is I'll make the pasta, and then because I already made the meatballs, yeah, so let's go, let's continue, let's carry on. So I'll just boil this one and then I'll take you along with me. Garlic, onions. I just added cinnamon and pepper. Now my food is ready. So meatballs, pasta. Actually, I'm so full. That's why I don't know. Maybe this one is too much, but it's not. Yeah, it's just yeah. And then fruits, and then some milk. So this milk Leban. I like the one with the sugar. So yeah, this is my dinner. Just a simple dinner. Yeah. If you like more of my cooking videos, diving into my feminine energy, so subscribe, like, comment, and tell me which videos you'd like me to do next time. Thank you so much for staying tuned until the end. Bye. Love you all.
Go to the bar and I shut it down. Get out my section, don't bother with lames. I'm watching these bunnies bounce. Shorty, your 10, the rubber band. Come on for the 100